Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to install Temu app on PC. So let's get started with our process to install the Temu app. First of all, open up the BlueStacks in your PC. Then search here for Temu app. Once you find the app, click to install it via Google Play. Temu is an app that offers affordable prices on a range of inexpensive consumer goods shipped directly from Chinese factories and warehouses. This app gained attention for its extensive product selection and for its incredibly competitive prices. So now, get back to your homepage. You will find the Play Store option here. Then click on the Play Store and search for the Temu app here. After the search, click Install the app via Google Play. Now your Temu app will be installed on the PC. By downloading the Temu app, you can enjoy a variety of benefits such as exclusive discounts, access to a wide array of products, a user-friendly interface, and a seamless shopping experience. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.